Today we are reviewing a journal and planner 2023 from Hoarding Wealth, and this is by Factor. Hi guys, today we're going to review an Amazon product that I received from my wife this Christmas, and I not use it yet because I wanted this opportunity to review it with you. So let's start. This is a planner and journal for 2023 to mainly to manage your finances, mainly for income and expenses. But it has so many other perks that I wanted to share with you in this channel before I start using it. So as you can see, it's quite thick because it has one page for a full day. It has a cover, really shiny cover, polished like it were another other book. As you can see, it's really shiny. Okay. It comes with really wide pages. At the beginning, you're gonna find a full page with 4 sections where you can put your personal information, the reasons that motivate you, what do you learn from 2022, and a little square to write down your assets and liabilities. Okay, in the second page you're gonna find a full page with instructions on how to use this journal, how to use each section of this journal, ¿verdad? A full 2023 calendar with holidays. We keep going because okay, you have a full 2 page for your mind map and your vision board, right? Before keep going, so far I saw there was any other journal out there. The truth is very complete, but the interesting things come next. At the beginning of each month, you're gonna find, besides the calendar, you're gonna find a full page to pre-plan your entire month. Here you're gonna put your goals, milestone, brainstorm, your project if you have any, and it keeps get better. Next, you're gonna find in every month, at the beginning of every month, you're gonna find a monthly budget. It's a full page to plan your budget. What I most like of this page is that have 10 spaces for income streams. So if you have multiple sources of income, you can put one of them in there, and then all your expenses in here. So you can plan ahead your full month budget. This is awesome. And then, as you can see, a section to schedule your full day for 24 hours cycle, a space for to-do lists, ideas, notes. And because this is a journal with focus on financial, in every day you're gonna find a section for 2 days expense or income. So if you have any income or expense that day, you put it there, right there. Very straightforward. Have a lot of space. If you have a big handwriting, it's really good. And then at the end of each month, at the end of each month, you're gonna find a full page to write down your net worth balance. So you can compare with the previous month. And what really surprised me is that at the end of every 3 months, you will find a page where you can make a summary of that quarter, right? Every 3 months, you can write it down, January, February, March, so it should be over here. Yeah, right here. Every 3 months, this page is only every 3 months, where you can put the summary and review of the quarter. So that way you can see how many goals you achieved, or what was the challenge in the past 3 months, how you're gonna focus to the next quarter, and a little square you can put your net worth and your debt, so you can compare every 3 months, every quarter of the year. It's really complete journal and planner, which I recommend. I'm gonna start using right now. You can find the link in the description of this video. But anyway, I'm gonna show you the Amazon page as always. As you can see, you can find it on Amazon. Hoarding Wealth 2023 Journal and Agenda Planner, Annual Financial Planner. All the planning and organization tools necessary to achieve your financial goal this year. So for the price, I don't see it so expensive like others that don't have as many factors than this. So I know for me it was a gift, but I recommend. It's a very complete planner and journal if you are like me, who like to keep your finances in order and plan everything in advance. This is for you. I leave the link in the description of this video, and as always, please like the video, subscribe the channel to continue making this video. See you in the next video.